How to fix TikTok something went wrong problem. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now let's get started. The very first thing you want to check is if you have enough storage in your device and your internet connection is stable or not. After you check that, now let's jump into the solutions. The very first thing you want to do is update your TikTok app. Open App Store or Play Store. At the top, you'll see this search box. Type in over there TikTok and search for it. After app appears, you will see the option of open or update over here. If you find the option of update, just tap on it and update your TikTok app to its latest version. But if you see the option of open as mine, it means your TikTok app is already up to date. After completion of update process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, you can uninstall and reinstall your TikTok app. For that, long press on your TikTok app. Select the option remove app, tap on delete app. After you delete the app from the device, open your App Store or Play Store and search for the app and install it. After completion of installation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the solution doesn't work for you, you can give fresh restart to your device, and with that your problem might be fixed. Applying all these solutions, you can fix TikTok went wrong problem on your device. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.